Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford F-150 Tremor, now coming as a standalone model rather than a package, and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Coming with these orange accents all over, you've got the front tow hooks, skid plates down below. You've got the vented hood with some more vents underneath the Tremor there. Do have a slight suspension lift, off-road suspension, Tremor front knuckle, off-road tires, big platform running boards with grip. And looking at the back where you have your rear tow hooks as well as a dual rear exhaust. But let's take a look inside. Then looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three with more Tremor sort of stylings, such as the cloth and the orange stitching. Can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have two cup holders with a 12-volt USB and USB-C and 120-volt power outlet. And this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat, power adjustable pedals, and a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck info, towing information, navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. And you have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone letting, towing, trail turn assist, and owner's manual. Trail turn assist being featured on the Broncos as well. It's for on those tighter trails so you can make a tighter turn. And then actually shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view so you can see all around your truck, with dynamic hitch view so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your camera view again, your hazards, trail control, which is sort of like cruise control for slower speeds on rougher terrain, as well as engaging one pedal drive, so if you're not on the accelerator, your vehicle is braking, makes it easier to go across those rougher roads. And then you have your traction control shut off, and moving down you have your media controls as well as your climate controls here with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. To the left you have your Pro Trailer Backup Assist, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a rear locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, sport, and then on the opposite end you have slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl mode, which is unique to the Tremor and FX4 package. Moving on to the right, you have 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have this cubby area here with a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears and can be collapsed out of the way for more open space, and so that you can fold out your interior work surface. So if you want to eat in your truck, work in your truck, whatever you want to do, you have a nice flat surface to do so from. Then you have two cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. And looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. And last but not least, you have 6 upfitter switches up here, which can be wired up however you please. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.